Hello, this is Taylor with Music Shop 360. Today we are going to be reviewing how to create an item in the system as well as the use of our vendor catalogs. Both of those features are accessed by going to Create New, Product. As we click on that, you can see the system loads the Add Product module and our cursor is placed in this catalog search field. Just by way of explanation, vendor catalogs are catalog data that's being supplied by various manufacturers and vendors. There's over 1.5 million products built into our system that come preloaded with descriptions, images, and product information. Now, the way that this works is you would actually just scan the barcode of the item that you are looking to add to your inventory. And if it's found within our catalogs, the appropriate product information will then be supplied to you. I'll go ahead and use the Smart Search tool today. And you can see as we go ahead and we search out the barcode, it's the Korg Rhythm Machine. So today I'm adding this product into my own store's inventory. And I'll do that by simply clicking Add Item. Now you can see that Korg has supplied to us product title. They've also given us barcode, manufacturer number, as well as pricing. In addition to that, Korg has gone the next step and they've also supplied imaging as well as product descriptions. We'll get into this a little bit more later, but real quickly, the reason why we really like it when the vendors supply both imaging and descriptions, in addition to the details, is this little button right here. This is really the magic in the Music Shop 360 system. From here, I'm able to tell the system where I want to make this product available for sale. I can say, look, I want to sell this just on my website, or I want to make it available in store only, or, and what will happen in most cases is you'll want to say both. What happens here is when this is set to both and I hit Save Product, the system will then publish this product on my website and it will be made available for my employees to ring out there at the store. One step further, and we'll include this in another video, is our Reverb integration. So if this Korg product is one that I'd also want to push to Reverb, I'd simply come over here to this Reverb tab, turn the listing to on, complete the appropriate information, and then again, same idea. When I hit Save Product, it's then going to publish this product not only to Reverb, not only my website, but will also be made available there in store. The better news is when this product sells, whether it's sold on Reverb, in store, or on my website, all the product information is going to be kept up to date. All the sales information, inventory counts, that's all captured simultaneously. So there's no need to go back onto Reverb, pull down a listing, go on my own website, pull down the listing there, or update an in-store inventory. That all happens simultaneously. Now, before we actually save this product, there's a number of things that I'll want to do. Now, we would recommend being as detailed here as you would like to be, but the more details that you have, the better reporting you're going to get on the back end. Okay, so first things first, you'll come over here and you'll set your departments. This is all customized for you and your store. I'm just going to put this under electronics today, and then I'll go ahead and I'll set the category. Now, what you'll see here is I've got a very limited number of categories. It's likely that your list of categories will be much, much more extensive than this. Again, you can get as granular here as you would like. Just be aware that you can have an unlimited number of categories, subcategories, and sub-subcategories. Now, what we're doing here is we're actually telling the system where we would like this product to show up on our website. So for our purposes today, I'm just going to put this under our percussion category. Now, once you've done that, what you'll want to do is you'll come down here. You can input make, model, year. You also want to go ahead and select the vendor who you order from. You can see this one is predefined as Korg. Just be aware, again, that is something that I can change. I could also add secondary vendors as well. So I can have as many vendors, primary and secondary vendors, as I would like listed on one specific product. Now today we'll just go ahead and we'll leave it at Korg here. Now, one piece of note that I failed to mention, I would like to mention here, any of the information that Korg or any of these other vendors have supplied to us is always editable, meaning I can always go in and I can change the titling of a product. I could take my own images and not utilize the one that Korg has given to us. I could input my own descriptions and erase this one, or really however I wanted to handle that. Okay. Additionally, I could change manufacturer name. I could update the price. Really, again, however I want to handle those things. Just be aware you can always edit the information that they have supplied to you. Okay. Now you can see on this test site here, I've got 2 locations set up. What you'll want to do is you'll come in here and you'll set what we call reorder points, as well as your desired stock levels. Now, what these are, just a real brief explanation. Essentially, what I'm telling the system is that in this case, for this Korg product, if I drop below having 5 units, then I'll want to go ahead and be notified that this item is low inventory and that I need to get it reordered. And then when I do go to reorder, I want to order up to having 10 on hand. Okay, now to get that to flag, I'll go ahead and just say that we only have 3 units to start out with. Okay, I'm already going to be below that reorder point, and that's just because in another video, I'm going to show you how the purchase order system works. Essentially, again, not to get too far ahead of ourselves here, but our system will go ahead and identify this product's low inventory. It will automatically identify that it needs to be reordered while you're in a purchase order, and will help you get the product reordered from the vendor because you are utilizing these reorder points and desired stock levels. All right, now one other tool that you'll want to utilize is the SKU field. This can be your own shop-specific SKU, or you can have the system go ahead and generate one for you, like I've done here. You'll want to put your cost in for the product as well. We'll just say this costs us $99.98, and we are going to go ahead and keep the Korg listed price here of $200, $199.99. Now, a couple interesting things of note here. You can run sales in our system, obviously, so you can have a sale price. In addition, this is a tool that stores really love. You can have a separate website price. So maybe you do want to charge the full $200 on in store, but online maybe we charge $215 or $220, or whatever the case may be. You can charge a different price online than what you do in store. The same goes for Reverb. If I want to charge a different price on Reverb than what I do on my website or in store, I can go ahead and do that through the Music Shop 360 system. Now, I do have the ability to go in here and add some additional information about the product. I can, if this is a used product, I can identify condition, really however I want to do that. We do also work in variants as well. So if you wanted to, let's just say that this rhythm machine came in a black finish, but it also came in a silver finish or a chrome finish or what have you, I can add multiple options to one specific product. The really nice thing on that is that those will show up on the website under one product. They'll have their own thumbnail images, and then the customer will also be able to make their selections based on the variant that they're interested in. Doing so will actually refresh the image on the website as well, which is really nice. Our stores have really loved that as well. So feel free to go ahead and utilize all the different options and styles that you would like as well. We don't have a limit on that. You can kind of slice and dice these products as much as you would like. Today we're going to keep it very straightforward though, and we'll say that, hey, we've got it set up here. This is as much information as we want to add, and we'll go and we'll save our product. Just like that, the system has added the product into our inventory. You can see it's the very, very first product or most recently added product into our account here, the Korg Rhythm Machine. We have 3 units on hand. That's how you utilize the vendor catalogs as well as create a product in the system. Thanks for joining us today. Feel free to check out our other tutorials as well.